The Keychron C3 Pro is shaking up the budget mechanical keyboard scene with a surprisingly strong offering at just $35. This tankulous board might not have the flash of its pricier siblings, but it delivers where it counts: build quality, programmability, and an overall satisfying typing experience. From the get-go, it's clear Keychron didn't cut corners in the places that matter. The C3 Pro features internal foam, a gasket mount for softer keystrokes, and solid stabilizers, all of which contribute to a quieter and more premium-feeling typing experience that's rare at this price point. While it has a full plastic body and ABS keycaps, the build still feels durable, and the double-shot keycaps ensure the legends won't fade over time. The red-themed aesthetic, complete with red LED backlighting and accent keys, gives it a low-key gamer vibe. But if red isn't your style, black keycaps are included. The lighting is single color only, but with 14 effects and side LED flares, it still manages to feel fun and customizable. The layout is standard TKL, so replacing keycaps is a breeze, though the switches are soldered, limiting future mods. What truly sets the C3 Pro apart is its support for VIA and QMK, powerful open source tools that let you remap keys, create macros, and fully customize the layout. At this price point, it's nearly unheard of to get that level of control without being locked into proprietary software. Even though it's not hot swappable, the stock linear switches feel decent for everyday use, especially with the added comfort of the gasket-mounted deck and internal dampening foam. Some minor drawbacks include the stiff USB-C cable and the absence of RGB lighting, but these are easy to overlook when you consider the value this board delivers. Keychron has taken its premium keyboard know-how and distilled it into something truly special for budget-conscious users. The C3 Pro is not just a good starter board. It's one of the best deals in the mechanical keyboard world today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.